today's lesson, we will be finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Now, let's have your learning targets. So for today, you will be able to determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Now, how can you determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? So we will be guided by this formula. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So what are those variables? So we have a sub n is the n term or the term that we are looking for. A sub 1 is the first term of the sequence. N is the number of terms. And letter d is the common difference. Now, let's have examples on how we will use this formula. So we have, for example, number 1, we need to find the 30th term of the sequence given below. So we have 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on. So in this sequence, ang hinahanap natin created is the 30th term or yung pang-30 na term ng sequence. So again, we will have the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Again, since we are looking for the 30th term, so that means we will look for a sub 30. And a sub 1 is the first term. Since 1 is the first term of the sequence, so a sub 1 will be 1 plus n is the number of terms. So we're looking for the 30th term. So therefore, n will be equal to 30 minus 1 times the common difference will be 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 9 is also 4, as well as 17 minus 13. So therefore, the common difference is 4. Following the PEMDAS rule, so we will have 1 plus 30 minus 1 will give you 29 times 4 equals 1 plus 29 times 4 will give you 116. And 116 plus 1, so we have a sub 30 is equal to 117. So therefore, the 30th term of the sequence is 117. Okay, let's have the second example. So we need to find the 15th term of the sequence, 30, 26, 22, 18, and so on. Now, let us first find the common difference. 26 minus 30 is negative 4. 22 minus 26 is also negative 4. As well as 18 minus 22. So we have the common difference is negative 4. And again, we need to find a sub 15. So again, start with the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So again, we're looking for a sub 15 equals a sub 1 is the first term, and that is 30 plus n is 15 because we are looking for the 15th term minus 1 times the common difference kanina ay negative 4. So again, following the PEMDAS rule, we have 30 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times the common difference, which is negative 4. So equals 30 plus 14 times negative 4 is negative 56. And 30 plus negative 56 is positive or negative 26. So therefore, the 15th term of the sequence is negative 26. Okay, so let's have the third example. So we have the first term is 1/2 and the common difference is 2. And we need to find the 17th term of the sequence. So again, always start with the formula. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So we are looking for a sub 17 equals, the first term given is 1/2 plus n is 17 because we are looking for the 17th term. minus 1 times the common difference na 2. Simplifying, we'll have 1 half plus 17 minus 1 is 16 times the common difference na 2. So we'll have 1 half plus 16 times 2 is 32, and 1 half plus 32 is equal to 32 and 1 half. So therefore, our 17th term is equal to 65 over 2. So again, going back to our lesson, in finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, we have the formula again, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Again, a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, n is the number of terms, and letter d is the common difference.
Okay, balik tayo doon sa learning targets natin. Kaya na ba nating sabihin that we can now determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? If your answer is yes, so therefore, okay na tayo doon sa learning target na to. So again, grade 10. Lesson number 2, finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, thank you for listening. Stay healthy and safe. Goodbye, class.